The sidestroke, one of the earliest strokes, began with both arms submerged and over time evolved into a more refined form. In the late 19th century, swimmers started to bring forward one arm above the water, then the other, alternating between them. This stroke, while no longer prevalent in competitive swimming, still holds its ground in life-saving and recreational swimming. The body remains on its side while the arms propel alternately, powered by a scissors kick. The legs open slowly, then snap together, propelling the swimmer forward. Next came the breaststroke, believed to be the oldest of strokes. This stroke is especially effective in rough water and widely used in life-saving, recreational, and competitive swimming. The swimmer lies face down, arms outstretched. The hands widen at the surface and then pull down and out, while the feet kick out and down, then come back together. The swimmer inhales during the pull and exhales underwater. The stroke has been compared to a swimming frog, leading to the term frog kick. As we move forward in time, we come across the butterfly stroke. This stroke, used only in competition, stands out due to its unique arm action. The arms are brought forward above the water in a windmill fashion, moving from back to front. The legs are kept together and thrust down in a double rhythm, matching the exit and entry of the hands from the water. This stroke came into the limelight in 1933 during a race involving Henry Myers. After much controversy, it was finally recognized as a distinct competitive stroke in 1953. Lastly, we have the backstroke. This stroke is performed by kicking the legs in a flutter motion while the arms rotate in a windmill cycle, which propels the body backwards. In conclusion, each swimming stroke has its own unique history and set of characteristics. From the sidestroke and the breaststroke to the butterfly and backstroke, each has evolved over time, demonstrating the adaptability and innovation inherent in the sport of swimming. Whether you're a fitness buff or a casual swimmer, understanding these strokes can enhance your appreciation for this versatile and invigorating activity.